Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. So last night I made some videos on this that I'm going to go out in the shop later today and vector engrave these. And somebody emailed, and I did not draw these, but somebody asked me how they got those lines in there. And there's an easy way, and well, there's an easy way, and then there's a different way. I'm just going to do all the lines going one direction. So I'm going to draw a square equally to the size of the cross width. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. I'm going to move it out of the way. And I'm going to convert it to a curve. That way, when I take the shape tool, I can actually grab these three, right click and break them apart. Then I can take my virtual save and delete key. And now I've got a shape. Well, I've already measured the shape and it was 0.06 between the lines. So we're going to control D and nudge it up and then just keep controlling D until I have enough to cover the cross. Now, I'm going to go and turn these black. And I'm also going to go to Object and Group. You have to group this together for this to work. And then just set that. I'm going to hit P and just set it in the page, and you can see it's not quite there. So I'm going to nudge it down where the entire cross is in there. And then I'm just going to grab it all, and I'm going to go right here to intersect. And there you go. Now all the lines are going one direction, but it's still a cool effect, and I'm going to make a second video. So what you'd also want to do is not move that out of the way. You'd want to nudge that out of the way. Let's make it like 5 inches. We can just nudge that out of the way. And now we've got the outline for the cross. And then you could group this together or also do what we did last night and make a boundary line, nudge the boundary out of the way, and go up to Effects, contour the outside 0.01, go up to Object, break contour apart, take the center one and just delete it. Take this one and make it red, and then nudge it over. And now you have a cut line around that cross. But I'm going to show you, so this is kind of cool, but the other ones that somebody else drew, the lines are going out at 4 different directions. So we're going to do that in part 2 of this. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit and answered his question, and thank you for watching.